Hey there, got a old Farmall just bought not too long ago, and so decided it was time to change oil in it since who knows how long it's been in there. And before I run too many hours into it, I better drop that oil out, change the filter, and be good to go. So this is first time videoing this type of a scenario. So this ought to be fun. So here we go. So I'm gonna reach down underneath here and just get that drain plug out of here. Look at that. Can't even get my somebody put that on there with way too much torque. Try again. Here we go. Hey. Oh. Okay. Well, guess what? Time for a bigger wrench.